Hello, I'm Kavia from MOQ Production. It can be really tricky to find a clothing supplier that offers a low minimum order quantity. Most suppliers require a high MOQ, which can make it difficult for small business to get started in the fashion industry. In this video, we will explore why finding a low MOQ supplier is so hard. Stay tuned. MOQ is a three-letter word. The acronym MOQ stands for Minimum Order Quantity. It indicates the smallest amount of items that a manufacturer will accept for a production order. For example, if a clothing manufacturer has an MOQ of 100 pieces per style, you will need to purchase at least 100 items in that style to fulfill a supplier's MOQ standards for a single production run. Almost all suppliers have a MOQ. Each supplier's quantities will vary considerably based on their type of factory, what they are manufacturing. Why finding a supplier with a low MOQ is so tricky. Today, I will show you why finding a low MOQ clothes manufacturer can feel like looking for a unicorn. Variable costs can significantly impact the bottom line of any company. First of all, we need to know how factories work. For example, fabric, accessories, prints, and embroideries. Those upstream suppliers of the garment factory have their own MOQ, from 100 pieces to 1,000 pieces too. For example, why most of the China factories' MOQ of a t-shirt is 100 pieces or multiples of 100? That's because the fabric supplier's MOQ is one roll each type and each color, and one roll of fabric is enough to make about 100 pieces of short-sleeve t-shirt. Working in apparel manufacturing is a chain reaction. So first, understand that everything is connected. When one link within the process is damaged, the entire system reacts. For example, if your zipper are late to be delivered, it's not as simple as just sewing the whole jacket and adding the zipper later. It all needs to be done in one go throughout the flow. Efficiency is significantly increased by doing it that way, and business make their money by learning to be as efficient as possible. If you are in the clothing business, you know how important it is to find a supplier with a low minimum order quantity. After all, no one wants to buy more inventory than they need, and having too much stock can tie up valuable resource. The problem is that low MOQ suppliers are often hard to find. Many manufacturers require high minimum orders to make a profit, and they are not always willing to negotiate on price or quantity. Remember, the minimum order quantity for most design is 50 pieces per design, which is relatively small. Maple is an experienced clothing manufacturing company aimed to cope with all-scale business, so we impose a low MOQ policy on our manufacturing practice. As a professional small batch clothing manufacturer, our MOQ policy is fixed to a low amount and is carefully considered for the sake of our business operation and specific order requirements from our clients. Contact us, MOQ is no longer a problem for you. We are glad to work with you.